Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my Carol's Daughter Coco Cream product review. It's kind of weird sitting here because I haven't, well no, I have sat in this chair because my dryer, I have to bring my dryer over here and dry my hair. So I have sat over here lately, but I haven't sat in front of this camera and talked to you guys in a couple of weeks. And yeah, I took a little break, but I'm back. I had to finish up my last class. I needed some rest, but I'm rejuvenated. I'm energized. I'm in a new class and I'm back to talk to y'all this week about the Carol's Daughter, a new Carol's Daughter product that I found some time ago, actually. So if you guys want to know how I feel about this product, stay tuned. Okay, well, some time ago, my sister Lisa alerted me about a new Carol's Daughter product. Well, yeah, it was new at the time. A new Carol's Daughter product like some months back, actually, it was some months back. And she was like, hey, watch this review or whatever. So I was watching a review, someone else reviewed this product, and I was like, well, when it gets cold, I have to go to cream products. So let me go ahead and I'll pick this up. So went to the local Walmart, and you all know I don't shop at the Walmart. There's few products on this channel that come from the Walmart, but this is one of those few products that comes from the Walmart. And this is also the first cream styler of the season. That is right, this is the first cream styler. It was a funny thing that this was not going to be the first cream styler. I actually had a different product I was going to start with this year, but I went with this one because I actually forgot about it and was reminded of it. So I was like, oh, wait a minute, hold up, let me go grab this. So I am talking about the Carol's Daughter Coco Cream line, and let's go in order of use. And the first thing that I used was the sulfate-free shampoo. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. On the bottle, it's claims, well, there's a few claims on here. Intense moisture and softness system, and it helps extremely dry hair. It adds deep moisture, discover touchable softness, and improves manageability. And in here it has coconut, mango, and maru. I can't even tell you what this is. It says no sulfates, no parabens, no artificial colors. So how I feel about the shampoo. The shampoo actually is pretty nice. I actually liked it. It doesn't lather. It's a cream shampoo basically. And I didn't dislike it. I actually thought it was a really nice shampoo. I like how it went into my hair. It worked pretty well. And yeah, I actually pretty much liked it. The next product that I used was the creamy conditioner, and pretty much everything on the bottle of the shampoo says the same thing on the conditioner. So I'm not even gonna read it all off again. But the conditioner, how I felt about the conditioner. The conditioner was pretty nice. I actually liked the conditioner also. It wasn't my favorite though. If you know Carol's Daughter's products, they have a thing about smells. And the thing about this, the smell on this product is not a heavy perfumey smell. And it's not one of those smells that's like, oh my God, I want to, if they have it as a spray leave-in, I would want to use it. It's not that product, but it's not a bad conditioner. But would I reach for it again? Not really. It's not one of those conditioners that I would reach for, because after I rinsed my hair, my hair didn't feel amazingly soft like it would with some other conditioners that I've used, but it's not bad. The next product that I used was the Velvet Cream Hair Mask, and has the same claims on it as the other products. And let's see if I can try to get some sort of something. It is a very thick hair mask, and this is a 12 ounce jar. It's a very thick hair mask, and it was not my favorite. You all know what my favorites are. They're both Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture has a lock on hair masks and deep conditioners. This was cool. It wasn't, like I said, it wasn't my favorite. Would I use it again? Maybe. I don't know. I would probably have to do some add-ons or something to it to make it like really, really work. But it wasn't my fave. It was cool. And the last product that I used in the line was the Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. And this is a 15 fluid ounce jar. I liked it. I actually did like this product. This is also another thick cream. It is very thick. I'm trying to see if I can get a really good shot of it for you. If not, you know, I'll have pictures up top for you. It's a very thick cream. You have to watch the amount that you put in your hand and that you put on your hair, or it will not dry through. You may see there's a little bit of white because when I was sitting under my dryer, my head was kind of down because I was looking at my computer. So the rest of my hair dried pretty evenly and the white dried out of it. Sometimes the front of my hair doesn't dry all the way. All the product does not dry fully out of my hair because I'm always either looking down at my computer or looking at my phone when I'm doing my hair. And I actually dried my hair, what was it, 5 this morning, because I co-washed my hair. And also I co-washed my hair last night because it was just a hugely busy week, voting and everything else, going and work. So I didn't get to co-wash my hair on Tuesday and Thursday, so I just co-washed it last night. So as you guys can see my hair right now, I'm going to try to get in a little closer. As you guys see, there are some, like I said, there are still some white spots in my hair, like right over here, because the way my hair was sitting in under the dryer, it wasn't, it didn't dry all the way through. But as you guys can see my hair, it is, the definition is crazy. It leaves great definition. I'm gonna say I do like the product. I like how my hair looks. I love the definition that it gives my hair. The cons, it's a cream. So with a cream, you're not gonna get that hold like a gel. So you're only going to get 2, maybe 3 days out of it. But that's okay. Because if you co-wash your hair every couple of days or every day, it's not a bad thing. But if you go past 3 days, there's going to be a little bit of flaking. Not a lot, but it's just like a smidge of flaking. So you have to be very careful of how much you put into your hair. And it's, like I said, it's not a very bad product. All right, my extra mentions really quick. For co-washing, I use the Jane Carter Curls to Go Curl Drench Cleansing Co-Wash. You guys heard me talk about this. Videos above in the cards, and it's gonna be below. I can't do nothing but keep talking about how much I love that product. This is probably my second one. I love that product. For leave-in, I use the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I'm almost out. I need to go get more. I really need to get more. I may have to, I've got to go to Target tomorrow, so I'm probably going to grab another bottle. I need one this size, really, because this is, under creams, that is like the best leave-in under a cream, I feel, because you don't want to put a cream under a cream. That's kind of how I feel. And for oil, I use the avocado oil. And that's a really good thick oil you put on your hair, and also you can use on your skin and all the other fun stuff. So yeah, that was all the extras that I used on top of this line for the past month. Actually, I've been using this line, hair products. Like I said, I'm gonna start using products a lot longer so I can give you a better review, not just like a first impression. Okay, it's time for that inevitable question. Will I use this products again? Funny enough, after I was not a huge fan of the deep conditioner and I wasn't a huge fan of the actual conditioner, I would actually use this line again. And here's why. The results of my hair on the first 2 days is why I would use this product again. It is a very nice product. Don't get me wrong. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. You all seen me hate. Y'all seen some products that went bad. And you all know when I don't like something, I don't like it. I am not even gonna lie to you and be like, oh, it's okay. No, I didn't like it. This product I actually like I said, it's just a couple of small cons and you can kind of work through those cons. So it's not a bad product line at all. I checked on the website a few days ago. These are the only 4 products in this line. So there are no other products. I kind of wish they did have an actual leave-in of its own. That would have been cool, but that's okay. It gives me an excuse to use the Allicate. So it's no big deal. But for real, like I said, I like the products and I actually would use them again. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I done talked enough. My camera's on like 15 minutes, but there was a couple of bad starts and a cold start with a new stuffed animal that you guys cannot see up there. Also, my battery light's flashing, so I have to get out of here. So if you guys have any questions for me on these products, or you just want to say hi and you're happy to see me or whatever, talk to me below. So that's about it. I'm gonna get out of here. I actually have a paper to write tonight and I got to get this video edited so you guys can see this video today, because this is Saturday night. You're gonna see this video technically for me tomorrow and it's today for you. So I'm doing it, filming and turn it right around, and I normally don't do that, but this week I am, because I can do that. So let me get out of here. I have videos over here that you guys would love to watch from 2 weeks ago and 3 weeks ago, and I am back. Hopefully I know I'm gonna have another video for the next 2 weeks, because right here is the next video. Everything for the next video is sitting right next to me. So I'm going to be shooting that video in a couple of days and you guys are going to get that next week. And that is all. Talk to me below. All my social medias were at the beginning. Don't forget to say hi to your girl, and I'm out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.